Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to Friday Night Gab. And Smudge is right here with me. I have a few things to talk to y'all about. This is so funny. I'm just laughing at myself because I said I think I say it 1,000 times, y'all. I wanted to tell y'all that the Look Fantastic Advent Calendar, which I bought, I want to say, that was back in August that it was introduced, and I bought it, and they have sent me 2 emails now saying that it is delayed. If y'all remember, I got a gift for buying it. I got that beautiful red bag with all those nice samples in there. And I sure hope that it'll get here before December 1st. That's all I got to say about it. This happens, I think, every year. It's happened the last few years that they're always delayed. Not just them, a lot of it. Well, Glossy Box and Look Fantastic. So, and then some people end up not getting their calendar. So I sure hope I get it, and it's the only one I really ordered. I did order a cat advent calendar. I have finally found one that I liked, so Smudge just left. And I'm gonna, I'll show you that, what it looks like on Monday, Mass Monday. I wanted to also say thank you to whoever might have signed up under me, under Ipsy. Whoever did it, I got 600 points. I think when you sign up, you get a free gift, or you get 600 points, which allows you to get a free gift. Right now, they have a special going on. If someone signs up under you, you get 1,800 points. So, but thank you for whoever did that. And if you're interested in Ipsy, my link is below. And also, right now, they have the pop-up shop going. It's been going on since Monday or Tuesday. I don't remember, probably Monday, because that's when, is that when we started Boxycharm? Usually, you know, even though they are owned by the same people now, the boxes usually do like competing kind of sales, you know? So they have a pop-up sale, pop-up shop is what they call it. And it's still going on. And that is the shop that has the $5 bags that I get, where there's 2 items for $5. They also have many other things. They, usually have $3.50 items. I think there's only one this time, but usually they have a bunch of them for $3.50, and then they have a bunch of $5, I call them $5 bags, but they're just, you know, $5 sets, 2 things. I'll show you 2 things and it's $5. Then they have things that are $12 and $24, and you know, they have a couple of big items that are maybe 40-ish or $45. So, but they're nice values. You save a lot of money if you buy those packages. So that is going on now. I did share that on my community tab. The day that they did it, it was Monday or it was Tuesday. I'm thinking it was Monday. So I wanted to tell you about that. And I also wanted to tell you, you know, I do get some things free for review, like the heating pad that I showed this week, and in the past, like the dinnerware that I've received, and things like that. Stylevana, some of those things I get. I don't get that regularly. Some people get Stylevana monthly, and I don't. But they've sent it to me twice now, so I'm just excited to, whenever they send it to me, I'm excited to get it. But I wanted y'all to know, a lot of those companies give us a code that you can use to save money. So like this morning, I showed some cute bags, tote bags, and they start at $5.99, so they're already pretty reasonable. There's a code that you can use that'll save you 5%. And I want you to know, because a lot of you think, I don't get paid by these companies at all, not a penny. And that's fine. What I get is the item that they sent me. So I got the heating pad, and it's lovely. It's a really nice heating pad. I got those 4 shopping bags, and I got the Stylevana products that they send me 6 of each. 6, I think they did that last time. They sent me 6 as well. I get those free. That is my pay, so to speak. So, you know, some things are more valuable than others. The heating pad is valued at about $30. The bags are $5.99 each, and I got 4. You know, so that is how I'm getting paid, if you want to look at it that way. So some of y'all think if you use my link or if you use my code, I'm going to get some kickback, but I'm not. But you're going to save a little money, so go ahead and use those codes if you want. And there's other YouTubers that do the same thing, and you can use theirs, and you can save the money. I don't get paid for anything. I really don't. And I want you to know that. So, YouTube, I am monetized on YouTube. And they put commercials on my videos, which I don't do. They do that. And I get a couple of pennies. I don't even, it depends on so many things what you get paid per video, how many times it gets watched, how many times, or where it is in the algorithm. They keep talking about algorithms. So you get little pennies on your videos. And so I do get paid that, but it's not very much. I just want you to know that. I had to stop and cut a bunch out because I went on too long about that. I just have been asked by some people or talked to by some people like I make a lot of money and I don't. So I wanted to be clear that if you want to start a channel, it's fun. If you want to do it for fun, do it for fun. Don't do it because you think you're going to become some multimillionaire. Some people may, who knows? These people that have 500,000 subscribers, I hope and I pray that they're making lots of money. But if you're a small person, like most of my group is the people that I know, the people that have channels, we don't. Either we don't make money at all or we make a very little bit of money. So I did want you to know that. I'm very fortunate. I'm very excited to get a few things that I get. I love getting the PR. When I am approached for PR, I don't take things that I know I won't use. I recently was approached by a company that had some beautiful things. A couple of my friends have shown products from them. They're beautiful, but I won't use them. So I didn't accept it. But if I did, that's how I would get paid, is by the product, okay? So, and a lot of these products that I get, I give to you anyway. So I'm, you know, just, that's why I only take things that I know that we will like. So there's that, okay. And I do want to tell you about a few other things. Let's say I've got my giveaways to tell you about. And next week is on Friday, October 21st. I'm pretty sure October 20th is my anniversary, my 2-year anniversary. It's right around that time. If I look back, I think I might have posted a video a day or two before, but it was like a couple of videos of my cats just to see how it was to upload and stuff like that. But my first real video, I think, was October 20th of 2020. So it is my 2-year anniversary next week, Thursday. But I will be live on my usual Friday at my usual time, 7 p.m. Central Time. I'm going to go live for that. It's for a 2-year anniversary. So look for that, and just my regular Friday night gab, but it'll be my live. I usually do 1 live a month. And I'm going to have a giveaway for that. So come on by. In the meanwhile, I have several giveaways going on. I have my, my summer to winter giveaway ended. My summer to winter skincare giveaway. That I did that collab with Laura the Bargain Hunter, Cece Strauss Size Life, Carlos from Truly MKE, and Jeannie from Sips and Lips and Makeup Tricks. And I love those people very much. And that collab has ended, and we'll all be announcing different times. So look to their channels for their announcements. They may put it on their community tab. They may make a video. I'm doing it here. I've already contacted my winner, and my winner is let me say her name right. I've been saying her name wrong all this time. Mari Cho. It's Mari. So it's like Mary, but it's M-A-R-I. And a long time ago, I asked her how to say it, and she told me we typed back and forth, so I thought she told me Maury, but it's not, it's Mari. I have to try to remember that now because I've been calling her Maury for a couple of years. I've known her for a long time. She's been around, maybe not since the beginning of my channel, but I mean, Mari has been around a long time, and she won my giveaway. So congratulations to Mari, and thank y'all for participating in that. That was a lot of fun to do, and to show you what skincare I use. And my treasure trove giveaway is always going on. And my Fab Fit Fun battle with Johanna is, usually we do it around sort of the middle of the month, but got some stuff going on. So that won't come out until October 26th. So look for that. And then my Mask Monday with Miss Jackie Russell. That is still going on until Sunday at noon. I'll end it, noon Central Time. So if you haven't seen that, go see that. I have a little giveaway in there and some sheet masks, and so does Miss Jackie Russell. So go watch our videos. And I may have some what I call hidden treasures around, and I know I do have. I have at least one, if not more. So look for those, y'all. And I have my Cat Lady Box giveaway is going on also. Now that giveaway is a little bit different. Cat Lady Box sent me a box over the summer. They sent me 1 month, and then they sent me a second month. And when they sent the second month, they accidentally sent me 2. So I gave one away, talked to them about it, and they agreed that it would be nice of me to give one away. So then they, after that, and that went so well, and we all had a lot of fun. They enjoyed it. They said, would I like to do another giveaway? And they will send it out directly to the winner. So that is going on right now. So I'm showing a box from them. They sent me 2 boxes again, but they sent me September, they sent me October. I'm showing the box. It's the October box that I'm showing. And in that video, I announced the giveaway. And you won't necessarily win the October box because it may be sold out by the time we're done with the giveaway. But you get to choose. You'll get a gift certificate is what you'll get, and you'll get to choose what you want. And I also have the September box, which I think is gonna, I have recorded it already, but I haven't put it up yet because I've had other things going up. I think it's gonna go up Sunday, or maybe, hopefully. So look for that. And that is it, I think. I think that's everything this week. I hope that y'all are doing well and having good weather. I've seen already some of y'all have snow. Oh my goodness sakes, winter's coming on too fast, y'all. Making me hyperventilate a little bit because I love summer in so many ways. I don't love extreme heat. I don't know really, I know that some people do love the heat, but not extreme heat, but it always seems to be extreme heat here for me in Alabama, in northern Alabama. I do love the light. I love the daylight. And it's been dark when I go to work in the morning, and soon it'll be dark when I come home, when I get out of work. And that's hard on me, but you all help me through it. So I'm so grateful to you. So that's it. I hope you have a great week. I hope you have an excellent weekend as well. And you all take care and count your blessings. And don't forget to come see me next week on my live. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.